Hello, in this video we will go over how to complete the online re-registration for the 21-22 school year. You will start off by going to kckps.org, go to Infinite Campus Portal. You're going to select Campus Parent and enter your username and password. If you do not have a Parent Portal account, you will contact your student's school, or you can click on this Help, and it will bring up the contact information for the Infinite Campus Parent Support Line. Here's a phone number and an email. If you have a Parent Portal account, you can enter your username and password and log in. Over on the index, you will come down to More, select Online Registration. From here, you will click here to go to Existing Student Registration. In this section, you will see all of the students that you have enrolled in the Kansas City, Kansas Public Schools. If you do not see your students listed here, please contact either your child's school or the Infinite Campus Parent Support, and we can help make sure we get all of your students included in this application. Your registration year will be 21-22. Select Begin Registration. You will then pick your language preference, and it's going to ask you to enter or type your name. And by typing your name in the box, you attest that you are the person completing this application and the information is accurate and true to the best of your knowledge. The next page is going to give you all the information that will be needed to complete the online registration. Select Begin. What the system will do is it's pulling all of the information for you that we have in Infinite Campus. We need you to step through each section and make sure everything we have in the system is correct. Anything highlighted in yellow, you will have to edit and review. Enter phone numbers in case there's any changes. If you have an email address, enter it here. If not, you can check the box. You will need to answer the questions. And the same for the next parent. Once you complete the Parent Guardian section and make any updates or changes, you will save and continue and move on to the emergency contacts. If you wish to remove emergency contacts, you can select this box by clicking here. Once this is completed, you will deactivate the person as an emergency contact for your student. Move on to the next emergency contact. Add the phone number and save and continue. Others in household will be any other children in your household that are not as of school age. And then we move on to the students section. You will need to edit and review, make sure there are no updates or changes, and answer these questions. And you will need to say next and move through each section. Anything with this red star, you will need to make sure you complete. Say next. It will ask if there's any changes. You will need to complete the Kansas Community That Care, survey question, the media waiver and internet publishing, and all of our acceptable use policies. You will sign the application at the end, save and continue, save and continue. Once you click submit and confirm, your application will then be submitted. You can click on this application summary and print this off or save it to your computer. Here is your application number at the top. This you can save for your records. Once this is done, your online re-registration has been completed for the 21-22 school year.